Dr. Stephen Kosterman here of Kosterman Chiropractic Center in Cary. We're continuing the same video series on neck pain. Now, I want to give you some exercises or some stretches that you can do, whether you're at home or you're at the office, to help try to relieve or mitigate that neck pain that you're having. Now, be mindful. Always consider seeing a professional such as myself so we can determine what's causing it. But hopefully some of these exercises can buy you a little time and get you a little relief. Now, keep in mind, every situation is different. And if it causes or reproduce any pain, always stop immediately take a breather or call our office. We'll be happy to help. But the first one that we want to do is very simple, and you can actually use your office chair. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand, reach down to the bottom side. In this example, I'm using my left hand. Grab the bottom of the chair. Then you're going to lean your head to the opposite side, right? Hold that there for about 10 seconds. You're going to stretch out your upper trap, shoulder muscles, neck muscles, all these small muscles on the side. Relax. You're going to do this both sides. I usually recommend about 3 to 5 times and hold for about 10 seconds each side. You're not in a rush. The muscles aren't going to stretch and open up overnight. You're going to be very gentle with this. So 3 to 5 times each side, hold for 10 seconds. The second exercise that I recommend and is often underrated is called the owl exercise. It's kind of funny. But you're going to move your head around very gently. First clockwise about 10 times and then counterclockwise about 10 times too. So you're going to start and you're just going to bring your head forward, back, and around. And this allows you to control how much is going on in here. Nice and easy, very gently. 10 times this way, and then 10 times you're going to go back the other way. I started counterclockwise, then you're going to go clockwise. You can do either one. Very gently, you're going to introduce some motion in there and open things up. Again, avoiding pain. We don't want to push into pain, but it's okay if you find some discomfort and you stretch it. Now, the third exercise that's okay to do is one that's often used a lot. I think a lot of our patients already know about this exercise. But what you're going to do is you're going to sit up nice and tall. You always want to start with good posture. And you're going to reach over the top of the side of your head and you're very gently going to pull this to the side. And you'll find, as you pull, you'll find a spot where it just stops. That's where the tension is. Hold there for about 10 seconds, 10, 15 seconds, and then relax. You can do the same thing on the other side. You always want balance and symmetry. Also, you can angle your head forward. So for instance, if you're pulling this way and you roll forward a little bit, you'll notice you feel the location of that stretch changes. So it hits a different portion or segment of the muscles in your neck. So you can do both sides equally. You can do this proactively so that your neck doesn't start to hurt or cause pain, or you can do it when there is some pain, but again, it shouldn't reproduce the pain. Thank you again so much for listening. If you need any help, don't hesitate, call, just walk in the door. We'd be happy to take care of you, but thanks for taking your time to listen. And hopefully this helps. If you're suffering from neck pain, give us a call.